There you go. So a few weeks old, couple of months old. You can go back there. Okay. So that's the spot. Come on again. Come on. So the best way is that basically control their diet. So don't give them food all the time in the cage. You can go back there if you want. There you go. That's a spot. That's a favorite spot. Don't give them food all the time. You are the one who should be giving them the food. That's the only way they'll be hand tamed and actually, you know, not fly away all the time. So I've clipped the wings, but I'll let it grow out. But yeah, controlling the food is the main thing. So they will be hand fed. They will trust you. You are the one who is a provider for them, and that is how, you know, you tame a baby bird.